It's a 2013 Nissan GT-R. For those who believe real supercars should still be super in real-world conditions. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auto shift manual transmission, sport suspension, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and twin turbo V6 engine. This from Car and Driver, the GT-R accepts your commands with direct steering and quick shifts. It tempers your mistakes with traction devices and electronic aids, and it gives you the tools to link A with B in a minimum time frame. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.